Hey guys, it's INFOGAL and let's get right into it. So today we have a lender by the name of First Progress. Now this credit card is specifically for helping you rebuild your personal credit. The good thing about this is there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever to apply. Now this is a secured credit card and they do recommend that you put down $200 or you can put the most down as $2,000. Okay? You earn 1% cash back on rewards on payments made to your First Progress secured credit card. They do report to all three major credit bureaus. The First Progress secured credit card is accepted wherever Master is accepted online and worldwide. Okay? If you make your payments on time for 6 months, they will give you a secondary card, which is always great. You manage your statements, transactions, rewards on the go with the First Progress mobile app. And also, you'll be able to see your Vantage score, easy free access to credit education in the First Progress mobile app. So, again, if you are looking to strictly rebuild your credit with no credit history whatsoever, this could be a great card for you. You get a reply if you are approved or denied within 60 seconds, okay? 60 seconds. So, again, if you have bad credit, this will be a great way to start rebuilding your personal credit. They also have a mobile app that you can apply through there or go straight to the website, firstprogress.com. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button.